Literally, this box right here contains 5 cards, only 5 cards, and it cost me around $550. What's going on, everyone? It's your boy Des360, providing you with that motivational and inspirational content to help supercharge your grind, your vibe, your journey. So today, check it. I invested in the Panini Encased trading cards. Literally, this box right here contains 5 cards, only 5 cards, and it cost me around $550. But there are some really rare cards in here, and I did pull a banger. So let's get right into it. And I did the unboxing in another video, but I'm just gonna get straight to the heat. What did I pull? The real banger, the 9.5. Dun, 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 dun. So before I even show that, 9.5 out of 10. That's a really good rating. The cool part about Encased is you get 1 slab graded card. It's already graded, so I don't have to go through PSA and send it in like I might have done for this right here. Ugh. So I sent this in. This is a Conor McGregor Mayweather signed ticket, signed by Conor, 2017. Had some crazy face value right there, 10K. But I sent it in to PSA and they rated it. The mint was 9, the autograph was 8. So that was pretty cool. That was a whole process. What I had to do here is nothing. I just bought it, spent the money, and a 9.5, which is really good. 9.5 gold card, 9.5 gold card. So let's get into it. What did I pull? Brooklyn, oh wait, sorry. New York City. New York in the building. Got that RJ Hampton, right? And check it out. RJ Hampton. Wow. Did I just say RJ Hampton? As I said, I'm new to this, folks, and I'm from LA, so I don't keep up with the Knicks that much. Let's do that again. 9.5. RJ Barrett. RJ Barrett. By the way, guys, the only reason why I said RJ Hampton is because I did pull him in the Panini Contenders box. So, you know, show me a little slack. Cut me a little slack. Back to this card. New York Forever. That's what it says. New York Forever, RJ Barrett. This is a 1 of 10, and this is number 1 of 10, right? So that's really cool. 9.5 gold. And I looked up this card to see if any of the other 10 were online, and that was listed at roughly $4,000. So when I saw that and I knew, hey, I just invested $550 times 2, that's $1,100. And obviously Jackson will get me a couple hundred, but this is really what I paid for. This is really what I paid for, right? To watch RJ Barrett blossom. Hopefully he has a magnificent year. And yeah, and then list the card and just kind of see what offers you get, and then I can decide if I want to sell it or not. So this is literally could be a $3,500 to $4,000 card right here. If he has a stellar year and becomes an all-star, which I believe he can, right? New York needs something. Then all of a sudden we could be looking at something even cooler. So got the number 1 of 10, RJ Barrett, 9.5 gold, Panini graded, scripted, encased slab. Super flame, super fire. So super stoked about that. And as I mentioned, keeping my journey going, gonna invest in more things that I enjoy. If you liked this video, please comment, subscribe. What do you guys think about RJ Barrett? Is he gonna have a big year? Is he gonna be a killer on the court? And yeah, that's it. I'll put my eBay link in the description. I'll put my eBay link in the description if you just want to see what cards I'm selling, because I have, like I said, Encased and Panini Contenders. So throwing up the cards up there, and just excited to grow, excited to invest in the future of NBA basketball and these players. So, all right, guys, Des360 signing out.